So welcome to our app. It's FloMate. Yeah, so we need authentication, so let's sign up first. Let's enter the email. Everything is connected to Firebase, so we are storing the data there on the Firebase. Let's enter the password. Let's confirm the password. Let's sign up. Okay, cool. Now we are on the login screen. Now enter the same credential which we have used while signing up. Okay, so let's log in. Cool, we are on the home screen. As you see, here the phases and the focus on things, diet to focus on HIIT works or fitness, diet, mindfulness, everything. This is our calendar screen. Here the user will enter the period start date and period end date, and accordingly the calendar will update. As you see, let's see. Yeah, see there from 15 to 22 the blood has been came, and everything is coming from the backend. Here the two APIs are running, and you see we have given average cycle length, average period length, everything, all the things we have mentioned here. Everything is coming from API. This is our chatbot screen. Our chatbot name is Valentina. So let's talk to the chatbot. If the user have any doubts regarding menstrual health and menstrual cycle, the Valentina will help her out. Let's see how it's working. It's texted hi. Yeah, cool. The responses came. What can I help you with today? Yeah, how can I relieve my menstrual cramps? Cool. So here the answer came from Valentina. It is saying apply heat therapy, engage in regular exercises, make dietary changes, practice relaxation techniques. Cool, it's working fine. It's suggesting me to do the things while I have menstrual cramps. Cool, this is very good. So this is how our chatbot is working. Now we will go to the site. Now we will go to the sanitization places. If a woman in need and she need a place where private space, basically for the toilet, it will locate on a map where to go. As you see, the nearest is quite 10 minutes away, 2.3 kilometer. It is a very unique feature of our app. As you see, this is our maps, and now we'll come back to the home screen. As you see, everything is coming from the backend API on the basis of the calendar. This is our thing which we have used in foods. Which food has to be taken while you are in menstrual cycle. Cool. So this is our HIIT workout. Let's see which workout has to be performed when you are in menstrual cycle phase. These are the workout exercise during periods. These are the asanas and something which a woman should perform while she is in her menstrual phase. This is our home screen. Let's sign out this account. Okay, now we are on the login page, and now we will log in with a Google. Okay, let's choose the ID. Yeah, so I have logged in with the Google again, and as you see in the calendar screen, the data is not here because it's that of a particular user. Now we will add another period session from 8 February to 13 February, and let's submit. See, the calendar will update accordingly, and each user have its own data, and it saves in backend, which is hosted on Amazon Web Service, and everything is coming from there. Cool. Now let's sign out again and enter the login details of the user which we have logged in first. The first time which we have logged in, let's log in that detail again, and as you see, we have logged in, and let's go to the calendar. Cool. See, we have added that time 15 to 22, and it's showing that only. So every user have its own personal data, and it's stored in backend.